My wife going deaf? An elderly man goes to the doctor, very worried because he thinks his wife is going deaf, but he doesn't know how to bring it up without offending her. The doctor says, "Let's try a simple test. Stand far away from her and ask a question. If she doesn't respond, take one step closer until she hears you. Then you can tell me the distance, and we can determine if she has a hearing problem." The man returns home and sees his wife cooking dinner. He stands in the doorway, about 30 feet away, and says, "My love, what are you cooking?" Nothing. He steps 10 feet closer, now about 20 feet away, and asks again, "My love, what are you cooking?" Nothing. He steps right behind her, about 3 feet away, and shouts, "My love, what are you cooking?" The wife spins around angrily and shouts back, for the third time, "Haricot beans."